Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things shopping, beauty, decor, and more. Today, I actually don't have anything beauty related, but I am going to share a little shopping spree I went on. I had some gift cards to TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I went and a couple other places when I was in California. So anyway, I'm going to share that today. And so let's get started. All right, friends. Hey, I am wearing a blue eyeshadow today. I don't know if you remember back a few videos, I had done a look. I tried to use a blue. I had like a lighter kind of a blue teal type dress on, and the makeup turned out horrible. I just hated it. But this time I used my new Tarte. I showed this palette also on a video back. I got a couple of them. The other one is actually my favorite. This one had some dark colors and I wasn't sure I liked it, but I used it this time. I used some of these lighter colors, and then I used this and these two like a navies over here. So anyway, that's my eyeshadow look. And I didn't think I could do blue, but I think if I'm not minding this look. So anyway, wanted to share that before I get started. I don't know where to start here. So I went to Marshalls first, I believe, and I picked up some fun things. Now, I guess I'll just start with what's in my hand. So I got this chain. You can hold a badge, or I could even hold glasses on here because I like to pull my glasses sometimes or whatever. But it's just a little Lily Pulitzer, which I love. I love her stuff. So I got that. I think this was like $5.99. So anyway, so that was fun. Also in Lily Pulitzer, I got a box with some pens in it. These are really cute, but actually they're pencils, not pens. So they're the retractable pencils, and I'm kind of not sure I'm going to use them. I would rather have the pens, but anyway, we'll see if they get used or not. But I have those. So those are my two Lily Pulitzer things. Another love I have is, well, while I'm on that, first of all, while I'm on that little thing there, I got these, let's see, I got these pencils right here, and I've already pulled one out and used it, but these have little sayings like, light your favorite candle, make time for sunshine, drink more water, go for a run, give yourself a quick walk around the block, go for a quick walk around the block, take a deep breath. Anyway, so they're just kind of fun little motivational pencils. So there's my pencils, and I thought the others were pens, but these are real cute too. So anyway, I love paper supplies, and I don't know how many of you know this about me, but I do graphic design and I have a blog. So I use a lot of paper and whatnot. And so, I love like paper supplies and pens and pencils and that kind of fun stuff. So along those lines, I got, and now again, I think at Marshalls. So far, I think those things are all Marshalls. Maybe not. I think that's TJ Maxx. I'm not sure where I got this one, but this says plans, ideas, dreams, plans. It's just a little notebook, a planner book. And I'll show you in a little while. I got this purse too that I can just slip this in. And I took it with me when I traveled. In fact, I'll just show you the purse now. I kind of splurged. I had a gift card, but I got a michaelkors bag. It's big, and it has a crossbody also, but it's more like kind of a travel bag or a book bag or something like that. But I thought it would go great with the Kate Spade purse I just bought. And you guys, I did post a video of my Kate Spade hauls. So anyway, I thought they went together, and it was just one of those things I couldn't resist. I don't know if I'm going to try to go neutral or what, because it's not really my style. I love color, but those are kind of neutrals and I'm liking it. So anyway, that was fun. That purse was a really fun pickup. So back to the paper supplies. I got another couple little notebooks. This is, it just says Hopes and Dreams. And we got the gold with the, the gold polka dots on white. $4. It's just kind of fun. So I got that. And one more thing along the paper and pen line. I've gotten one of these before, but this says Inspire. And it's just a sketchbook. So there we go. I actually want to start painting. I have done art in the past and I just feel it in my blood. So right now I kind of want to paint, but I also like to doodle. So this came with pens and I think this was like $10, but it's just a nice, real nice book. It'd make a good gift for someone. Anyway, so I picked that up. And also at Marshalls, I picked up 2 phone cases. This one just has flowers. I got a new phone, of iPhone 15, and this one's a Kate Spade. Go figure, right? But this one, I don't know if you can see it that well, but it looks really good on the phone. It has just kind of pink and white little shiny crystals. And that is so my style. So anyway, I'm excited about these 2 things. Okay. Oh, 2 more things. Let's see. I have more pens. And I just thought these were adorable. I just love pens. So these are just, actually, I hadn't gotten any pens yet. I thought I got the Lily Pulitzer, but they were pencils. So these are my pens. They just got a little pink flower and they're gold. Just thought they were adorable. Match my office and my personality. So anyway, I picked up those. And I also picked up some earrings. And I just thought these were cute. These little heart. They actually match almost identically to the big heart necklace that I've worn back around Valentine's Day. I was wearing it a lot. I wore it in some of my videos with my little heart dress. But anyway, these kind of match that. But I just thought these were fun. They're real quality. Just nice quality. So anyway, pick those up. Where am I? Okay. I have a couple more paper things. So I went to this store in California, and it was called the Paper Factory Paper Source. And you guys, it had the funnest stuff. It had games and books and little gadgets and all kinds of things. And I didn't go crazy in there because I didn't. I was trying to be good. I could have gone crazy in there, but so if you have one around in your city or town, you might want to check it out because it had a little bit of everything in it. But I bought this I'm Imperfectly Perfect. It's like a devotional journal. So I just think it's, I don't know, something about it, because I am perfectly imperfect. It's called Perfectly Imperfect, which I think I am. I'm trying to learn that I am perfectly imperfect. So, because none of us are perfect, but let's see. I love that I have learned to trust people with my heart, even if it will get broken. So it just has like pages like this, and then you can write your thoughts. I'm embracing my perfectly imperfect self today. And then you just put, anyway, it's just a really cute journal. I have a stack of devotional journals that I use that are kind of like this, that are fun prompt journals and stuff. I've never been a big journaler, but it's a goal I have this year to get better at that. So maybe I'll do a video. Is anyone interested? Because I have some really cool ones. So anyway, but I got this to add to my collection. So there's that. And then I got, because this was like 75% off, it was ridiculously overpriced without the 75% off. So I got a decent deal at 75% off. But anyway, it's just a planner. It started in, it's a 2003, 2024. So obviously I only have a few months that I can use it, but that's the discount. But it has some really cool things in it that I like. So anyway, there's that. And did I show my only one makeup item I got? This is a Nicole Miller from TJ Maxx. Says You Belong Amongst Wildflowers. It's an eyeshadow palette. And the reason why I picked it up is because these are definitely like my colors, without a doubt. And then I like that it had the highlighters. It could be blush. These are kind of light blushes for me, but you could also mix it with some of the eyeshadows if you want. So I got that. That was only $4.99. So I went ahead and picked it up. So that's that. I'm down to my last 4 items, I believe. Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, gotta show you one more thing. You guys, TJ Maxx, they had these huge bottles. I've looked for these and I've seen them and they're like $60 or whatever. I mean, so I love that it's imperfect, like me, perfectly imperfect. But anyway, it's got the kind of a different shape. And anyway, I have something I could put in here. I'm thinking, or just you could put like a plant, leaves or something in here. But it was only $14.99. And I am so excited about it. Let me see this. Anyway, so when I saw it, I had to pick it up. Because I've been looking for one, but I just didn't want to pay $60 for it or whatever. So anyway, the next thing, my last 4 things here now. This is a salt and pepper. They have little spoons on top of the lids. It's just a salt and pepper canister. I have some like this, but they're smaller. And someone came over and loved mine, and I'd been looking for some just like the ones I have, but I couldn't find any. So I picked these up, hoping that she would like this. I also actually picked 2 of these up, and I gave another one as a gift, and they loved the gift. So anyway, it's kind of a fun thing. $12, $12.99 or something. And it does make a cute gift. So everyone, I don't know. I prefer my salt and pepper in something like this other than the shakers. And I have this little shelf thing by my stove. I just keep these on there. And they're so handy whenever I need them. So there's that. So the last 3 items happen to be all the same type of thing. They are candles. And the first one, I'll start with the least expensive and go to the most expensive. So this one was $8, and this is a Sand and Fog, which I love Sand and Fog brand. And this is Mango Tangerine, which smells delicious. So there's that. I'm burning 2 candles in my house right now. I love to burn candles. It's just my thing. And these all match my office, so I could even burn them in here. But that's the first one, and it's cute. It's got a little unique kind of a wood top with a unique handle. The next one was $9.99, and this one is called Red Leaf Home number 8, and this was salted pink grapefruit. Now, a lot of people, you either really like grapefruit or you don't, and a lot of people don't like it, but I love pink grapefruit, and I love to put salt on it. It's only good with salt. For some reason, the salt and the sour balance each other out just to make the most wonderful flavor. But anyway, I love the smell of grapefruit. It invigorates me. And so that is that. But I came across this huge candle. And it was just cute candle with a gold lid. And guess what flavor this one is? Let me see. Oh, it doesn't say it there. Wait, where does it say it? That is weird. Okay, it's Tangelo grapefruit. So it's another grapefruit. This one smells so good. Oh my gosh, this one's the best out of all the smells. I love this. In fact, I might have to burn it tomorrow because I love it so much. But anyway, so there's that. So the 3 candles, tons of like fun pens and paper things, and let's see here, paper things, and Lily Pulitzer. So jewelry, a makeup thing, the cutest purse ever, Michael Kors. There you go. And anyway, my planners, all this stuff, my big jar. So I really had fun. That's kind of that was my treat, my spring treat. Okay, one more thing, clothes wise, I did get this white blouse. I like to wear it over some of my summer dresses or whatever, because it's actually still cold in Arizona, if you can believe that. So I mean, I've even had my fireplace on. So, and we're talking April. I don't think that I remember it ever happening in April like that. But anyway, so I just wanted to share that. I don't always buy a lot of clothes at places like that, but it's just a really nice shirt, and I like to wear it. They just look cute over these dresses. So anyway, that's it for that. And I did do some of this in California. Sometimes when there's a TJ Maxx I love in California. It's better than any I've been to here. And so I always go to that one and pick up things. And there was also a Marshalls right near there that I go to there. So it's kind of fun for me to shop when I'm in other places. I like to shop when I'm out of town. So I just had fun, and I had fun on my vacation. We went to Newport with my daughter and son-in-law and grandkids. We've been going for 20 years. So we just go to a Marriott timeshare there, and it's so fun. We spent, you know, we have a room with like a perfect full ocean view that's just gorgeous. And we also spend days at the beach and at the pool. We go shopping, and we just kind of relax and have a good time. We even cook together a little bit because our place has a kitchen. And anyway, it's just fun. Play games. The kids love to play games. So that was my little spring break. Let me know what you did for spring break. Let me know if you liked this little haul. What was your favorite product? I would love if you'd comment and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like my shopping videos, or if you prefer me just to stick to beauty. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Thank you for being here, and I will see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.